left on Saturday. So they don't know if they want me to stay for all of them till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or so this guy said just put them somewhere where we can easy get at him. And the best way to do it is flip them so this is down. Put the forks up here. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So the arch is
You want me to flip like that? Or stand up or?
flip them this way.
So carpet side down.
Yeah.
Ah, carpet down? Okay.
Yeah, that way you don't need
Yeah.
dunnage, right?
Yeah, yeah. Dito na si Pops. Una siyang late. Dumating siya dito alas kahapon. Mga hapon na rin. Then, una pa siyang ma-unload ngayon sa akin. Yung schedule ko ay ngayon, pero mamaya pa daw akong tanghali ma-unload. Alis na siya. Natanggal na rin yung clip niya. Yung sa ibang 6 axle, ito taga Regina to eh. Sara ko muna.
Shout out para sa lahat dyan. Good morning. Masyado kaming maaga ngayon.
So sa kanya natanggal na ang jeep. O kita niyo sa kanya oh. Ganyan lang pwesto ng jeep ano niya yung clip. Ang dali lang. So back to normal yung truck at saka trailer kasi pagdating daw dun sa loob ayaw nila na may jeep na kasama. So lahat pati sa amin. Kaya natanggal ko na yung sa akin kahapon. Ha? Tagham ng lagbok. Eh ano mo na lang yard move. Ha? Naghang. Yard move mo na lang siya. Para hindi gagalaw yung driving mo. Bago tong truck niya. 1638 50. Burdagul. Nandito lahat ng mga gamit nila sa project. So mag-unload siya doon sa may mga ilaw na yun. Mga 2 kilometers from here. Then ako naman mag-hook up na ako ng aking trailer kasi mamaya pa ako. Stay muna ako dito for a while. Hamish! What happened? Where did I live at?
That?
You just arrived yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday? And you unload first? Fuck's sake! you want to use the forklift?
Yes.
You have the code?
I do. Do you have it?
The code.
I don't know how to fucking run the damn thing. Can you run it for me?
Yeah.
Okay. I got the code, yeah.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Saw you at the Loves yesterday. I was just coming in as you were leaving. Well, I was just pulling into a parking spot and I saw you leave.
And Love's Amarillo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I was there and I switched to TA
Oh, okay.
because I need a laundry.
Oh, okay, yeah.
There's no laundry there.
No?
No. Just shower.
So you gonna take those off for us?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you guys. You want that to put in your trailer?
Yeah, well, no, if we're gonna put them there for now, we don't know if I'm taking them or not.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So you know how to operate this thing okay?
Huh?
You know how to operate it all right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, and this one here, I think I'll just go past it and just drag it back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'll start putting my change away, buddy.
Okay.
When are you going in?
Huh? I'm just waiting for them to
Okay.
unload me
All right.
today.
So where do you enter the code when? Oh, right there.
It's on here.
Yeah.
And
Because he gave me the code in case there was nobody else here.
086901.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
086901. Yeah.
Yeah, then start, then off here.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
That's key line on or off.
That's on Saturday. So they don't know if they want me to stay for all of them till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or so this guy said just put him somewhere where we can easy get at him. And the best way to do it is flip him so this is down. So the arch is
You want me to flip like that? Or stand up or
flip them this way.
So carpet side down.
Yeah.
carpet down? Okay.
Yeah, that way you don't need
Yeah.
dunnage, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
How the hell are you gonna do that? Hang on one end?
Just get the fork and just the fork's under here.
Yeah, okay.
And then when he comes up to that one, we'll just flip it on his forks.
Yeah.
Like you just get your fork under there and then pick it up.
Right.
Oh,
So now you get your fork under there. Just come in from the end.
Oh, that's okay.
Just come in from the end and we'll just flip it, and then whether you put your fork right up against it, we'll just flip it onto the fork.
Okay.
That way we don't have to flip it twice, right?
na, kunin ko. Bitbitin ko na. Bitbitin ko. Ha? Bitbitin ko nga doon. Gamitin ko yung forklift. Doon, no? Ha? Ya. Sinarga ko kay ano kayo na eh. Amish. Lagyan mo lang na ano, kanina. Ito na si Paps. Ito lang. Okay din, okay din. Okay din. Iksian mo lang. Saan mo ikakarga?
Sa likod.
Sa triaxle?
Sa likod. Sa kick sa likod.
Ha? Paps! Paps! Dito? Sabi ka. Sabi lalagay.
Itong sa ibabaw niyan. Itong gulong na to. Nakaline up sa gulong na gulong.
Yeah. Ha? gilid. Ako na lang pala na isa natira dito. Yung isa umalis na.
Kaya dito ko sir, pati ka. Pipilip ko lang dito, pipilip.
Ha?
Tagilid lang.
Okay. Yeah, okay na sa likod.
Good job, Popsy!
You're gonna take that?
Yeah,
Done
the
it?
saddles come off here, I guess.
Huh?
The saddles come off here?
Yeah, I think so. Or you're gonna take that one to... No.
No.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take that one. Or maybe you can back up there.
Okay. Back them up over there, or?
Yeah, the damage there is on the side of my truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how to take them off. Those things are fucking heavy. I'm not lifting them off.
No, I'm gonna put the perk, then push it,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna hook up that thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pops!
You work for Q Line too?
I'm a driver. Q line.
You're a driver.
I don't know. I helped those guys there this morning. Hamish, you're Hamish or
No, I'm Jamie.
Jamie? I helped Hamish, Ernie to get this big tonnage and put the jeep on their trailer.
Okay.
Patulong daw ay i-flip natin yung i-flip natin yung damage niya. Kukunin ko.
JP,
Jamie,
hi. I'm just gonna grab my gloves. Shoot, told me.
I'm gonna pull the straps off here yet.
Yeah.
So.
Kaya that's my part-time job while naghihintay ako ma-unload dito. So yung isang queue line doon, si Pops na unload na. Madali lang unload? Madali lang? Nakasalubong mo na yung isa?
Yung...
Tatlo na sila.
Hindi, ako na lang huling lumabas eh.
Ay, nasan yung dalawang 6 axle?
Wala naman si Saxon.
Nandun.
Nandun, dalawang yung line.
Lumiko yung 6 axle kayo na eh.
Lumiko sila, pero doon sila pumasok sa kabilang state.
Hindi.
Hindi kasi dalawa kasi pinag-aalotan.
Ah.
Meron kami sa kanan, pero sa kaliwa. Ito sa kaliwa. Kaya hindi ko siya kasama. Nandito ako sa kanan. Si Saxon nandito dito. Ikaw, dito ka.
Unload kaya ako ngayon?
Ang sabi sa akin, tinanong ko si Ryan.
Oh.
Sabi si Ryan eh, Mano, sabi, I'm still thinking about your body. Sabi ko, yeah. She needs to know. Is he going to be unloaded? Let him know. Sabi ko, gano'n. But I'm not sure. Sabi ko,
Kasi kung hindi, tatakbo na ako sa labs.
saan galing ko?
Siyempre, ano naman yan, Pops?
Loko pa.
Yeah. So not sure pa kung ma-unload ako today. So unhook ko na naman yung aking trailer.
Next, tawagan mo si Ryan.
Tinext ko na eh.
Kasi sabi niya, kung hindi ka tinetext, tinitingnan pa niya. Dalawa kasi, kaliwat kanan eh. Kaya ang bilis eh. Sabi nga sa akin ni Trevor, hindi nga daw siya makapaniwanan ng load eh.
Yeah, kasi nga schedule mo Wednesday pa.
Wednesday pa. Kala nga daw niya walang ma-unload ngayon eh.
Eh, may day ring pala oh.
Kaya dyan meron. Yung likod wala.
Saan ka, dyan ka ba mag-iipit?
Dyan ang mag-iipit.
Yan, tama. So not sure kung ma-unload today mga Choy.
Mainit!
Kaya sakto lang yung bakukang na ilagay nila kasi mataas yun eh.
Natulong naman sila.
Yeah.
Doon sa pag-unload, ang problema mo doon lang.
Welcome to Texas.
Tawagan na na.
Hindi, wala. Baka wala ka na. Stamina. Kaya nang
Hindi ko makasya ayon.
wala kang day-ring.
Wala ka.
Hindi. Ito, chain.
Ayan.
Lagyan mo kasi ng slip hook to. Mukha na maraming slip hook doon.
Tumag ako eh.
Tamad yan.
Natuwa nga ang mga taga-Pinoy.
But,
Eh syempre, nandiyan ka, taga-operate.
kanina dalawa sila, si
Sabi
Amish.
sa akin ni Amish, where we go after that? Where's your jeep? Sabi ko, I left it on the other yard.
Saan mo nakita si Amish?
Doon, kasabay ko siya na. Eh, nanauna siya sa akin. Siya ko na eh. Which yard? Sabi ko, just pay straight from the highway, same road. You'll see a fence yard, that'll be it. And then what? I don't know what you're gonna do. Sabi niya, but there's gonna be a telehandler there. I got the code to the telehandler, but I don't know how to operate that thing. Oh, don't worry, Marco's there. Really? Yeah. Was it? Marco's there. Marco's gonna help you.
Yeah, tinulungan ko last eh, pati si Ernie.
Yun, si Ernie, yung owner operator, naka-blue.
Oh, no, blow.
Yung
Siya ang kukuha ng mga damage.
sa
Hintayin niya matapos lahat.
lahat bago siya.
Yeah. Kaya pupunta muna daw siya sa Amarillo para kakain muna daw siya ng steak. Baka bukas pa daw siya babalik dito. Puro oversize dito siya, di ba?
Over sa 60,000 pounds din sila.
Pero,
Pero dyan sinakay.
really, the overweight. Ah? Yung taas ng sa kanya.
May high pole sila eh, mula sa Nebraska dito.
Oh. Ito guys, may dumating na flat deck nilagay. Flat deck. Kaya pala mataas. Oh, may pilot pang kasama oh. Sinamahan pa sa loob eh.
Hindi, hanggang dito sila sa loob. Pag yung isang yan,
Ha?
hanggang dyan sa gate. Ito, pinasok.
Saan siya pupunta?
Dito, paparada.
Hindi, dapat dito siya. Pilot pa eh. Sayad ng kanyang ano eh. Lalim. Sayad ng ilalim. Yeah, yung isang Q-line ganun din kasi ang kanyang load. Sino? Ano niya? Ano sabi niya?
Is that Marco? Yeah. Fuck, I watch his videos.
Watch his videos pero hindi niya naintindihan. Wala na, bukas lagi yung ilalim niya. Ah, ibang klase pa lang sa kanila. Sabi niya, do you work here? No. I'm a driver. Oh, but you work here. You're operating the forklift. Guys, hinihingal na si GP. Yeah, hinihingal na siya. Sobrang init, nasa 45 ang init ngayon. Sobra. So anyway, mauna siyang wala siya dumating. Oh, I mean sa kahapon siya dumating pero una siyang unload. So meron na siyang reload papuntang Emerald City from Nebraska. So ako dito 50-50 kung kailan ako man-load. I don't know. Tapos na.
Paps, tapos na ako. Maiwan kita kasi may nag-aantay na load sa akin tomorrow.
Anong oras?
Umaga usapan namin bago magtanghali.
Ah, nandun ka na?
Oo, 8
From
hours.
here, ilang oras?
8 hours.
8 hours from here?
Oo, takbo ko ng 4 hours ngayon, tulog. 4 hours bukas ng umaga.
Ah, okay, sige.
Dumamadali. Apple ko rin ka.
Yeah, ingat sa biyahe.
Okay, ingat ka rito. Tawagan
Yeah.
mo si Ryan.
Yeah, kausap ko na si Ryan.
Ano sabi niya?
Mamaya daw, may nasikaso lang siya.
Ah,
para
man-load ka ngayon.
malalaman kung man-load ako o hindi. May inano lang sila, may nasikaso sa loob.
Kung man-load ka, tanong mo na si
Trevor.
Trevor para mabigyan ka namin.
Sige, ingat ka.
Ingat ka,
Yeah,
Petit. Sige.
ingat. Ingat sa biyahe.